If you're seeing a Fall Guys error code, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into the game as fast as possible. These errors are often caused by a bad connection, a corrupted game file, a VPN conflict, or an outdated game launcher. And the good news is that most of these problems are easy to fix. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming fix tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is restart both your PC and Fall Guys. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches, refresh your connection, and fix small launch issues that may be triggering the error code. After your computer comes back on, open the game again and see if the problem is gone. Next, check your internet connection. Fall Guys is an online game, so if your connection is unstable, slow, or dropping packets, the game may fail to connect properly and show an error code. Try opening another website or streaming a video to see if your internet is working normally. If needed, restart your router or switch to a more stable network. After that, go ahead and verify your game files. If you're using the game library, open your library, find Fall Guys, click the three dots, and choose Verify. This tells the launcher to scan the installation and replace any missing or damaged files automatically. Corrupted files are one of the most common reasons games throw random error codes, so this step is very important. Once the verification is done, launch the game again and test it. If you still see the error, the next thing to do is turn off your VPN if you have one running. VPNs can sometimes interfere with game servers, create login conflicts, or route your traffic in a way that causes connection errors. Even if your VPN works fine for other apps, it may still be the reason Fall Guys is failing to connect. Disable it completely, then reopen the game and check again. Another important fix is making sure both the game and your launcher are fully updated. Outdated versions can cause compatibility problems, server connection issues, and mismatched files that trigger error codes. Open your game launcher, check for updates, and install anything that's available. If Fall Guys itself has an update, make sure that gets installed too before trying again. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue right away, but if not, it's still worth repeating the process carefully in order. Restart, check your connection, verify files, turn off VPN, and update everything. That combination fixes a large number of Fall Guys error code problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. Once you've gone through each step, open the game one more time and see if you can connect normally. If you're still having trouble, let me know which error code you're seeing in the comments, and I can help you with more targeted fixes. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick gaming solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.